Hello guys, today we're gonna be reacting to this video that I found, and I hope you enjoy. And let's do it. Okay, to scroll up, turn the
Better than ever. Dude, you're sitting on the outside of the drum kit. No, I ain't. Oh, wait, you're right. Sorry. That's why it felt weird. Let me just get on back there. Just go around. Don't climb. Oh, Tony, dude, I couldn't even hear your bass at all. My amp is off.
warning may be loud. And also, this is a little disclaimer. This is credit. Like all credit goes to El Jamini. He for this video, courtesy of El Jamini. That's it. And also, I do not own any of this, and also, do not own any of like the things that were shown, and I do not own Adult Swim, and that is copyright, and all those rights belong to the rightful owners. And that is the end. Hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe. And that's it. Bye.